In today's video I'm gonna be showing you in super easy steps how to create these colorful, lacy, handmade seed beads earrings. They are super easy to make and I'm showing them step by step, so even if you are a beginner, grab your beads and create them with me. Consider also checking the membership option because you get 50 unique videos and 53 PDF beading patterns that you can download from my website for the price of a latte. Okay friends, so what I'm using here are 5 colors of 10-0 seed beads. You could use 11-0s as well: dark blue, blue, yellow, purple and pink. I'm also using earring finding leverbacks. These are scissors. This is size 11 beading needle, use similar size, and this is really strong braided thread similar to Fireline. You can use here your favorite thread, but it should keep the shape well. Okay friends, and I'm starting my work by picking up 22 dark blue beads. Check again if they are 22. Slide those down. Now go through all of them one more time. Okay, now I'm here where my main thread and my tail thread meet, and I want to make a knot here, guys. I'm making it by making a loop and going twice through the loop I've made and pulling, and then I want to make just one more knot. Okay, that's it. Now I have this beautiful loop of beads. I just want to go through some in this direction. And I will start my next row. I take 3 dark blue beads. I skip one bead that's on my way and I go through the following. Again, I take 3 beads. Skip the next one that's on my way and go through the following. Again 3, skip one and go in the next. So that's it guys, I'm going to continue until the end. Okay, and if you work correctly, this is how you end, going through the very first bead where you started the whole row from. Okay, now my friends, I want to go here and in this dark blue bead, take 3 light blue beads and go in the next bead that is sticking out. 3 again. You see how extremely easy this row is, guys. amazingly easy. Okay, and I will continue adding beads in this row. Okay, then I have this. In my next step, I'm going here in the middle light blue bead, and I will continue similar thing. I'm just connecting with 3 blue beads, the beads that are sticking out, guys. And by the way, guys, if you like how it all works up to here, you can subscribe, like, share and comment for more absolutely free tutorials like this one. In this way you will see more of me and my designs. Thanks for all of you that are watching and staying here with me until the end. And of course, create beautiful jewelry. By the way, if you create something beautiful from my videos, please feel free to share it on my Facebook page. I'm always so happy to see your beautiful designs that you send me, guys. You are amazing. You are my inspiration and the reason why I continue doing this work. So yeah, I will be really happy if you send me your designs. Now I do the same thing, guys. I start from the middle here, the bead that's sticking out the most. I connect it with the next bead that's sticking out the most, but this time I add 5 beads. All of these rows are so easy and so similar, and I hope that you enjoy them. By the way, you can tell me in the comments, how did you find my content? Did you just scroll around YouTube and I was suggested to you? Did you search for some terms like beaded jewelry and in this way you found me? Or did a beading friend recommended my content? I'm just curious to know if you want to share this with me. Okay, and here I'm adding my last 5 beads from this row, and I have this now. Okay, friends, now what am I going to do here is go through 2 yellow beads, take 3 yellows, skip here the central one and go through the next 2 and the blue one. Now I go in the next yellow, I take just 1 purple bead and I go in the previous yellow before this light blue inner angle bead. Okay, I add it like that. Then again I go through 2 yellow beads, add 3 yellows, skip the central and go through the next 2 yellows and the angle bead. and then go through the first yellow. Another purple one. Go backwards like this. Go through these 2 yellows. 3 yellow beads, skip the central and go through the following. Then go in the first yellow here. Another purple one. And go like this. Three yellows, skip the central one. Go like this. Go through the first yellow here and add 1 purple. Then through these 2 yellows and add 3. And by the way, guys, because it's absolutely the same way, until the end, I will let you do this by yourself and do this off camera and meet you here. But you can always rewind if you forget how I'm doing it. So go through this yellow, add a purple, go back through this yellow and black, go through these 2, add 3, and continue and meet me here. Okay, friends, and here I am at the last step, where I just added my last purple bead from this row. Okay, now I want to go directly into this purple bead. And I'm going to take 2 purples and I will go here in the yellow. And by the way, I want to mention something. Because I'm right-handed, I prefer to go in this direction, not in this one. That is why I'm going to flip my work here. I hope it's not confusing for you, because it's all the same thing if you go in one or the other. The result is the same, I mean. So yeah, I prefer like this. If you prefer the other direction, I know that many of you creative people are left-handed. That's why if you prefer the other direction, feel free to go in the other direction. I also started working naturally with the left hand, but my mother taught me to go with the right. So I'm right-handed as a result. Okay. You see how super easy this row is, guys. It is extremely easy. Just connect these purple beads with the top yellow beads. And by the way, if you stayed up to here and you are interested in my free designs, you can check my membership, because for the price of a latte, you will get 50 tutorials united in 10 video courses that are unique, not shared anywhere else. And besides these 50 unique tutorials that always grow because I'm adding new ones, you will be able to download 53 PDF patterns from my website. The link and the password are in the top post of the membership area here on YouTube. And you can go there and download them and create beautiful jewelry. And I also allow you to sell the ready products that you would create from these patterns. Not the patterns themselves, because they are with authorship rights, but the products that you create from them. If you give me credit, like a link to my channel and website, you feel free to create the ready designs. Okay, that's what we have in this row. Now in my next row, I'm taking 3 purple beads and I go here through the next 3 purples. Then I go in the first purple, take one light pink and go in the purple before the angle and in the angle. Then go in the next 2 purple beads, 3 purples, go like this. First purple, 1 light pink bead and go in the purple before the angle and in the angle. Then again through these 2 purple beads. 3 purple beads, go in the next 3. First purple, 1 light pink and go like this. Two purple beads, 3 purple, go in this direction. Go here and 1 pink. Okay, and continue this absolutely the same way, guys, by going through these 2, adding 3 purples, adding 1 light pink, and I will meet you here for the last step. Okay friends, and here I am where I have just added my last pink bead from this row. So I go in this direction, I take a purple, an earring finding and a purple, and I go back just like this. And I go in this direction. Now, what I want to do is to make here a loop, go once and twice through the loop I've made, pull, then I want to go through some beads. You could repeat the knot, but always go through some beads after the last knot. And then cut this tail thread. Okay guys, and now my lacy colorful seed beads earrings are ready, so if you like them and you want to see more and more videos like this, it's a good idea to subscribe with the bell, like, share and comment. In this way you will see more of my content, and you can also check the membership option that now comes with 50 unique tutorials, especially done with love for the members, and 53 PDF patterns from my website that you can download. You will get a link and a password to download them in the first post of the membership area here on YouTube. And all of this you get for the price of a latte, and new tutorials and designs are added constantly. Thank you so much for watching. Now see you in the next video.